Hello everybody. How you guys doing today? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a different projects, and also we're going to use the fitness line that can do that most of the all projects. Okay. Now let's go to our Mastercam 9 and open that up. Now let's go to main menu. Let's go ahead and go to F9. Click on create. Then we're going to go to rectangle. We're going to use 1 point. Now this time we're going to use 40 by 40. Okay, and click OK here. We're going to go to origin and click that and click escape and Alt F1. Put the screen in the middle and go ahead and click F2. Minimize the screen. Now let's go back to main menu. Now this time we're going to go ahead and click on create. We're going to click on drafting. Okay. Now this is what I'm talking about, the witness. Okay. We're going to click on that. Then we're going to go to origin. Okay. Now click on origin in the middle right here. Go ahead and click to endpoint right here. We're going to go back to origin again. And we're going to click on this endpoint again. Okay. Go back and do all four corners. Okay. That's 3 and that's 4. Okay. And click escape. Now we're going to use the parallel line. Okay. And then we're going to do the a box right here on the side to side, top and bottom. Okay. Now let's go back to the main menu and go ahead and click on create. And this time we're going to use line, click on line, and then we're going to use the parallel, and then we're going to use the side distance. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and click on side distance. Go ahead and come over here and click on this line right here. And then you're going to go forward. Okay. You're going to go to the right, click on it. I'm going to put 5 inches on there. Okay. All 5 inches, all four corners. Okay. Go ahead and click on that. Okay. I'm going to click this one right here and click down. So I click enter again. All 5 inches even out. Okay. From this line right here, go to the left and click enter. Now, if you have a different side that you want to make, you go ahead and put a different dimension there. Okay. But for right now, I'm going to use 5 inches all around. Okay. So I'm going to click right here and go up 5 inches. I'm going to click enter. Now I'm going to click escape. Now we're going to delete some of the line here. Okay. So now we're going to go back to main menu. We're going to click on create. Okay. We're going to click on drafting. Okay. We're going to click on right here with this line again. Okay. We're going to click on origin. Okay. Right here. We're going to connect this line right here to this endpoint. We're going to do that all four corners again. And click this line right here. Go back to origin again. Going to click on this endpoint here again. Back to origin. Do this all around four corners. Okay, guys. Okay, this one right here, go click to this endpoint, back to origin, and this endpoint here. Again, go back endpoint, origin, go back to endpoint. Okay. Now we got all those lines that we needed. Now we're going to get rid of the line. Okay. We're going to go all here, delete. We're going to delete this line here. Now on this warning right here, it says warning right here. So you want to keep the line that you need, and you want to delete the line you don't need. Okay. So right now, right here, it says keep drafting entity and delete associate. Okay. We're going to click on that, and we're going to click OK. Okay. So now I click on delete this line right here. And we're going to click OK. We're going to click delete here. We're going to click OK. We're going to delete this line in the middle line here, and middle line here, and the middle line here, and this line here, and click OK. So then we have all these four. Okay, four direction. So now we're gonna run a pocket through this line right here, right? But before we're doing that, we cannot do just run a pocket through that. Okay. Now we gotta break this line. Okay. Before we run a pocket, we gotta break the line. Okay. Now we gotta go back to main menu. We gotta go to modify, and then we're gonna break. We're gonna break the line. Okay. So right here, we're gonna click on draft line. Okay. We're gonna break that. Okay. We're gonna click on that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're all done. Go and click done. Okay. Now we're gonna go back to main menu, and we run a pocket. We're gonna run a tool through this line there, this pocket here, okay? Go to Tool, Pad, and click on Pocket. Okay, we're gonna click right here, inside this right here. 1, 2, and then we're gonna click in there, and then we're gonna click reverse, okay? We'll go to the next one, from the inside here, 1, 2, click in there, in reverse, click right here, inside, 2, in there, and reverse. One right here, and second one right here, and click in here, and click reverse. Okay, and then click done. Now this is our tool library, okay? Let's go to right click and get a tool from our tool library. Now this time we're gonna use a 1/4 inch flat end mill, okay? Let's go scroll down to tool number 235. Find that tool number. It's right here, 235, a 1/4 inch flat end mill. Go ahead and click OK. Now we're gonna change the feed rate, plunge rate, retracted rate. Okay, now the tool number right here is stated, tool number 1, tool name, okay, and diameter, okay? So we're gonna change the feed rate to 7.0, a plunge rate to 7.0, and retracted rate to 7.0, okay? And this is cooler right here, we're gonna need to turn it on, okay? Go ahead and turn it on. And spindle speed, we're gonna put 2,000, okay? And right here, we're just gonna show, say, rough pocket, okay? GGA rough pocket. Rough pocket, okay? And then we're gonna go right here on the top, click pocket parameter. We're gonna go ahead and make a check mark on the clear 2.0. At the top of stock, we're running a 3/4 inch material. Go ahead and put 0.75. And then the depth, we're gonna go 1/2 inch. So go ahead and put -0.5. Okay, right here on tip column, we're gonna use center. Okay. And then we're gonna use the standard right here, the rough type standard. We're gonna click on open. Okay, gonna click on open. And then we're gonna go on the top right here, say rough defining parameter. Go and click on that. Now this time we're gonna use different kind of pocket, right? We have many pockets, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we're just gonna use. Go ahead and gonna use parallel spiral, right? Gonna use that for right now anyway. Go ahead and click from inside out. Okay. Use that, and then right here, cutter comb. We're gonna use weir. Okay. And then we're gonna click OK. Okay, that's how it looks. Okay. Now let's go to our operation and see how it looks. Okay. That's how it looks. Okay. Now let's go back. We're gonna change a little bit here. We're gonna use different pocket. I'm gonna show you how to do different pocket. Okay. Now we're gonna use zigzag. How different from zigzag? Okay. And click OK. Go ahead and regenerate path and verify that. See how it's different? Okay. From zigzag. Okay. Okay. Let's minimize this. Go ahead and go and click unzoom. Okay. We have that. Okay, before we do anything else, we're gonna go to back to the main menu. Now we're gonna cut this part out, okay? So we have 40 by 40. Now we're gonna put 50 by 50. Go ahead and click on main menu and create a rectangle. We're gonna use 1 point, okay? And then we're gonna click main menu, create rectangle. We're gonna use 1 point. We're gonna put 50 by 50. Then we're gonna click OK here. And then we're gonna click on origin and click escape. Okay, that's how it looks right here. So now we're gonna cut this out right here. So we take the whole part out, okay? Okay, we're done with that. Go ahead and go to toolpath, then click on contour, and we're gonna cut right here, okay? And click done. This is our tool library. I'll go ahead and right click, get a tool from our library. Go ahead and scroll down to 239. That's what our tool number is. And we're going to use a 1/2 inch flat end mill. Okay. Right here, 239, 1/2 inch flat end mill, and click OK. And we're going to change this to also. Okay. Tool number 2 is right here. It's stated 1/2 inch flat end mill, 1/2 inch diameter. Okay. Now the feed rate, we're going to go ahead and put 8.0. Plunge rate, also 8.0. And retractive rate, also 8.0. And then the spindle speed, we're going to put 2000. Okay. And this right here, we're going to put finish path. Okay. And then right here, we're going to click on contour parameter. Go ahead and check mark all of that. And top stop got 0.35. And then the depth, we're going to put a negative 0.35. We want to cut all the way through. Okay. And then right here, we're going to change this right here. We're going to put where. Okay. And the tip, we're going to put center. Okay. And then we're going to click OK. That's how it looks. Let's go to operation and see how it looks. Go ahead and select and verify that. And click on start button. That's how it looks. Okay. Now we're gonna go back out. We're gonna see the stock, how much stock we left over. Okay, let's go to job setup. We're gonna put right here 50 by 50. Okay. And then on the we're gonna put 10. Just want to see how it look. Okay. Go ahead and put check mark right here, display stock, and go ahead and click OK. Okay, that's how it look right here. So now we're gonna view in different way. Okay. Unzoom that. And then we're going to right click right here. Go ahead and to dynamic spin and click on this line right here. It's how it looks. You want to rotate it and see how it looks. Okay. So that's how it looks, guys. Okay. So now we're going to go to operation and select all, verify, and start button. Okay. That's how it looks. Now we're going to post this. Okay. You want to save it and you're going to post it to your machine so you can run it, save it to your file. So to do that, you just go ahead and click post. Then you're going to save right here. You're going to save to NCI and edit. Okay, you click save. And then right here, you just could, I just put program, just put right here, say program 6, program number 6. Put 7. Okay, let's say save. Okay, that's how it looks right here. Okay. Now that you want to see a tool that what you're running, okay, you see right here, 1/4 inch flat end mill. It's a tool right here. That's what we put on there. The first one we do in a pocket, right? And then right here, say program name, say program number 7. That's what just put on. I mean, you can put a program name any, how you want it put to. Okay. And then on this right here, the G code and M code. Okay. That's how you look at it. Now you can click on expand if you want to see right here. See. Okay. Now that's on the GM code, okay? So you go ahead and save that already, so which we just did. So I'm gonna exit it out, okay? So that's all for tonight, guys. So I hope you guys like this video and please subscribe to the channel and like and share, okay? And you will have any question or comment, just leave it below. And you want me to do something else besides this, let me know. I will try to do the best I can to get that done. Okay, other than that, that's all I have, and hope you guys have a good day and see you next time. Bye bye.